Salamun alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Dear small Azadar Hussain, from today onwards we are starting a new series named Al Mahdi, our Savior. Inshallah, on every Friday we will be posting one story of Imam Zamana Ajalallahu Ta'ala Farjahu Sharif. So, what do you think? Is Imam Zamana aware of our feelings and prayers? What do you think? So let's go to know that how Imam know our feelings, our prayers, and how Imam solves that. So there was one man named Sayyid Muhammad who lived in Najaf Ashraf. He lived near the shrine of Maula Ali alayhi salam. There were many houses near Haram Maula Ali alayhi salam, and Sayyid Muhammad lived on the upper floor. He was also very poor, and most of the time Sayyid Muhammad used to eat some dates and water to fulfill his stomach. And like that only he passed his days. He always prayed for his good condition and had never asked for help or money to anyone. So one day he started writing the Ariza to Imam Zamana. Every day he wrote the Ariza, and when the doors of Najaf opened, he went and dropped the Ariza in water, and he did this for 39 days. And on 39th day, when he put his Ariza in the water and went back home, at that time he realized that someone was walking behind and following him. Now, when Sayyid Muhammad turned back and looked, then he realized that the man who was following him was from Arab. He looked at him, and the man who was from Arab said to Sayyid Muhammad, Salamun alaikum. Then Sayyid Muhammad replied, Wa alaikum salam. After replying, Sayyid Muhammad turned and started walking again on his way. As he turned to go, the Arab man asked and said, O Muhammad, you have been writing Ariza to your Imam for 39 days. So what do you want? Didn't you know that Imam know about your prayers? Now Sayyid Muhammad was completely shocked and started wondering how he would know that I am writing Ariza to my Imam. And how did the Arab man know this all things, all about my problems and all the stuffs? Suddenly, Sayyid Muhammad thought that no one else but this person is the Imam of my time. And it means Imam Zamana Ajjalallahu Ta'ala Farjahu Sharif. Sayyid Muhammad read a story in some book that hands of Imam Zamana are soft and smooth. So Sayyid Muhammad moved his hand forward to confirm. Imam also extended his hand forward. When Sayyid Muhammad had a musafiha with Imam Zamana, he believed that he was Imam only but no one else. And then he bent down to kiss Imam's hand, but suddenly what happened? Imam disappeared. Sayyid Muhammad looked all around, he looked everywhere, but there was no one except Sayyid Muhammad. He was all alone, but he was very happy that his prayers, request reached to the Imam, and he got the opportunity to visit the Imam of the time. And after that conversation, everything started getting better with him, and he was no longer poor.
He is your savior, your caretaker.